Hi, welcome to Miniezhhops behind the scene videos with myself, Elizabeth, and today I'm going to show you how I turn my little sculptures into plant stakes. Let's get to it. Here's what you'll need. You'll need your sculpture, but you won't want to bake it. So make sure it's not baked first. We'll bake it after we put in the eye hook. You'll need an eye hook or some sort of wire. Here's what I have, my very fancy bag of wires and eye hooks. Very organized, I know. You'll need some sort of smoothing tool. This can be any sort of sculpting tool or even a potter's needle or a toothpick, anything like that. If your wire is super bent and very not pretty, it might be helpful to find some pliers or something to kind of straighten it out. What you're gonna do is you're going to take your sculpture that's not baked and you're gonna find the center of it. You're going to take your eye hook, put this little eye hook portion facing in, and you're just going to, see how it's centered-ish? You're just gonna press it in till it's about halfway into your sculpture, and then you're going to take that and you're gonna twist it 90 degrees, holding this metal, and we twist it so that the eye hook kind of locks into the clay. And then, see how there's this gap right there? What we're gonna just do is smooth that clay to give it added security, just nice and snugly in there, so that we can't see that seam anymore. We'll take some tin foil, kind of wad it up, and then press it on our work surface so that it's nice and secure. You want a good strong base because this will go on the pan in the oven, and we can take our little wire, poke it into that tin foil, set it there, give it a little wobble test, make sure it doesn't fall over, and then make sure also that you don't have your oven rack, make sure it doesn't whack into the oven rack or it's too short when you put it in the oven. Then you can bake that. If you have any questions about this, let me know in the comments below. I hope you had fun and make lots of cool little plant stakes. Be sure to send me a photo and I can feature them at the end of my future videos. Stay tuned for more ways to make your clay into usable art. Have a great day, guys. Bye.